vlogs, what's up? It's Christina Giselle. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, I do vlogs on motherhood and lifestyle. Today I'm going to be reviewing my 16-piece GREENLIFE pot set that I got that I'm super excited about. I'm gonna do an unboxing and show you guys everything that came with it, as well as I'll be doing a recipe and showing you guys what you can make for dinner tonight. I also have a special little guest, my little baby Angelina here. So if you guys like this video, please make sure you watch it in full. And if you like everything you see as well, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. So let's get on to the rest of the video. So I'm going to be doing my product review with my little special guest, Angelina. She is baby-led wed, so she's going to be eating some watermelon. Mom life, this is how it goes. I want to have a YouTube channel, so I have her along for the ride since she already had her nap and, you know, she's a little fussy fuss. I'm gonna just have her with me on the video, so I hope you guys like watching her along side by side with me. So it is a 16-piece set. So here is one of the first products that I'm going to open up. So this is the small saucepan, which I think is absolutely adorable. So I got an all pink set. I've always wanted pink pots, and this is my new house, so it's great to have a new pot set. So this is the new small saucepan pot. This is the fryer pot, I believe. So it is a non-stick pot, and the reason I got it is because, like I said, I do baby-led wean my daughter, so I do cook a lot for her, and I wanted to make sure that I had a pot set that was super healthy and wasn't gonna get fumes or any toxins. And this pot set is recommended to be non-toxic and not give any fumes when cooking, no matter what heat setting it is. So I'm loving this. How cute, guys. I love it already. This is the smaller version of it for like making eggs and stuff. Keep eating, baby. You love watermelon? She loves watermelon, so I'm making sure it keeps her entertained. You want some water? Mom break. You want some water? Let's see what's next. We also have this pan as well. How cute. And what I love about it too is also the handles have really good grip. Okay, so the next one is, so this must be the medium saucepan. And here's the matching lid for the small one. Here's the medium saucepan. I'm just loving these. Here's the lid. I think the lids are included in the amount of things that I got. So if it's 16 pieces, the lids are included. Okay, got those two. Here's another lid for this. And here is the biggest saucepan, or just pot. How cute. Matching cover. Here's the matching cover for this one. You okay, baby? What are you doing? Did you take off your bib? Mom life, this is my first time having her in video. I don't think I'll be doing it again, but I wanted to show you guys that, you know, practice. She is very, very moody lately. She's going through week 6 of the Wonder Week. You want some pops? Good girl. So she's a little emotional, fussy, but you know, you push through. Okay, now let me continue. Oh guys, look at this. Look at this tiny one for if you want to make a fried egg. I love this. Okay, and then it also comes with the steamer, which I think is awesome. I believe you probably would put it over this pot like this, put the vegetables in. How cool is that? I absolutely love this. Really cool. All right, and we're coming to an end. It also came with some utensils, which I'm not too crazy about plastic utensils. I usually use silicone or metal, but these are really cute. Spatula. So it also came with all 3 of these. Let me make sure there's nothing else in here. And that is it, guys. So let me put this aside and then I'll put all these together so you guys, this is my pot set and I absolutely love it. It's non-toxic and it's perfect for my family. I still did keep some of my other pots that I had for a while that I actually got for my bridal shower like 2 or 3 years ago. But I love the set and I'm going to make sure that I do use it when I make my baby's food and our food as a family, and we'll see how it holds over. I'll make sure to link this set below. Also, I did read some of the instructions and it did have a few different tips in order for it to cook well and last long. They do recommend that I, of course, clean it before I use it. They do recommend that I use a soft soap and a soft rag or sponge to use it. They don't really recommend using it in a dishwasher. I probably won't, because I do notice that some of my pots, you know, do go through it when I do put it in the dishwasher. And another huge recommendation they do say is to make sure that you don't use a high heat setting. So I'm not gonna make sure that I only, come on, break, hold on. Okay, like I was saying, they do say not to use a high heat setting and to make sure that you don't preheat these pans before you start cooking, which I usually do with my other pans. So I will only turn on the flame right as I am going to start cooking. They also do say to make sure you take out whatever food you're going to cook it with, if it's cold in the fridge, a few minutes before you put it on. If you see that something is about to stick, make sure you add a little bit of water to create steam so it doesn't stick. And a huge thing they did say in the instructions is to only use like oil and butter and do not use sprays, which is probably going to be really hard for me because I do use a lot of sprays, but I heard that it's actually healthier to just not use sprays when it comes to like toxic chemicals and bad ingredients that are in sprays. So those are all the things that they said they recommend for these pots. I hope you guys like my review, and if you do, make sure you get these pots, and shout out to T. Beeston for recommending it. I love her and I can't wait to use these pots. So keep watching and you'll get to see the recipe that I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. So it's later on in the day and I'm going to be making my first recipe in my new pot. I'm super excited. So I'm going to be making my family favorite. It's chili. We love chili here in the house and the baby even eats it too, so it works for all of us. So the way I make my chili is I alternate between turkey and ground beef. I have ground beef available. It is quarantine, so I use whatever I have available. So I'm going to be using a pound of ground beef, 1 can of black beans, 1 can of red beans, a half an onion, a whole can of diced tomatoes, some minced garlic, a tad of brown sugar, and I'm going to be using a small portion of chili mix. I don't like using a lot because it has a high sodium in it and I don't like giving the baby salt, so I'll be using just a tad just for the chili powder taste because I am out of chili powder. But when you don't have this type of mix, you can just use some chili powder to get that chili taste, and that's it. So I hope you guys like what I make. I'll be leaving the description of what everything I use in the description box, and I hope you guys can make it for dinner for your family one day too.
I used to to think I had plenty of dreams and light in my life. Still my glass was half empty, but you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. My glass was always half empty, but now you're in my life. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. We have come all this way, love, so I don't see us stopping now. My life's an adventure, 'cause you came along and showed me how to love without limits, to have a good time. Now my life's an adventure, and you're the reason why. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all of these years, you still look at me with the same love. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. You could never wear me out. Far away from the city lights. We're far away from the city lights, so small under the night sky. It's just us two, but I don't mind. You could never wear me out. Even after all.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
So that's it. That's the end of my video, loves. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked seeing my pot review for my Green Life pots. I love them so much, and I'll make sure to link everything below in my description box. And I really hope that you liked my recipe and that you're able to make it for your family. My family loved it tonight for dinner. It was so delicious. It came out really good this time. I don't know if it was because of the pot or because, you know, it's just a good recipe. Anyways, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you click on that notification bell so that you can find out when I post my videos every Monday and Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern. I hope you guys are doing well, you're staying safe, and I'll see you in the next video.